Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to see a website which offering the beginner course for AutoCAD 2-dimensional, AutoCAD 3-dimensional and Revit architecture for free with certification. The website which offering the course it is infratechcivil.com. If you open the website will open this page which contains the courses of 3 levels, that is level 1, level 2, level 3. If you want open the course on level 1, so the level 1 page will open which contains information regarding the courses on, you can able to see here, Civil 3D, AutoCAD. Here the Revit architecture won't be there, but if you search for Revit architecture in the courses you can find the Revit architecture course. So if you open this page and if you click on enroll for free, a new tab will open which contains the sign up information. You can able to enroll the course with email ID, password, first name, last name, country, or otherwise you can able to sign up with your Google account or LinkedIn account or Facebook account. Once you completed login, sign in, you will get a mail for welcome mail. Once you log in, you will get the dashboard page like this. What are the courses you have entered? So you can, which course you have entered, you can able to open the course. A new tab will open which contains the information regarding the course. I have already opened the tab for Civil 3-dimensional for beginners. So here you can able to see here, this is how the page will be looking, which contains the information regarding the course information from the introduction to till the last. Before itself I am informing you, it's not for everyone, it is for the beginner level persons. You will be getting only about the tools and the commands which is available for the software. Once you complete the course, all the study materials, you will be getting the certificate. If you click on the get, if you complete perfectly 100%, you will get the certificate. The certificate will be looking like this: certificate of completion. This is to certify Manoj Raj has pursued studies and completed all the course. So you can able to see here the student name, the school which offered the course name, the certificate ID, issued ID and inquiries. You can able to share this one in the LinkedIn also. So in AutoCAD, the website is under process. In AutoCAD alone, the videos are not available till they have to upload. But instead of video, they have given everything in the written format of text format. So in the description box, I will be giving you the link for Revit beginners, AutoCAD 2-dimensional beginners and AutoCAD 3-dimensional beginner. So you can able to click the link and enroll the course for free. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.